HIV/AIDS remains one of the most significant global health challenges of our time, affecting millions of individuals worldwide. Over the past few decades, dedicated virologists and researchers have been at the forefront of the fight against this devastating virus. Through relentless efforts in understanding its biology, transmission mechanisms, and potential treatment modalities, virologists have made remarkable progress in combating HIV/AIDS. This article aims to explore recent breakthroughs and innovations in virology that are shaping the landscape of HIV/AIDS research and treatment. Even though AIDS cannot be cured, a human immunodeficiency virus, HIV, infection can now be treated very effectively. Antiretroviral drugs, for instance, have been successfully used to treat HIV infections since the mid-1990s. These suppress the virus and prevent it from replicating. This means it is no longer transmissible and can be held in check. Most HIV patients receive a combination of different antiretroviral drugs, depending on the respective stages of the HIV cycle. HIV treatment therapy has continued to improve, says Hendrik Streeck, an AIDS research specialist and the director of the Institute of Virology at Bonn University Hospital. The latest major breakthrough, according to Streeck, was in integrase inhibitors. The integrase enzyme plays an important role in the replication of HIV and is responsible for integrating the viral DNA genome into the host cell, where it can multiply. Integrase inhibitors keep them from being able to do so. This drug is enormously effective, Streeck told DW. Integrase inhibitors have saved the lives of many patients who may already have had a very resistant viral infection and for whom there were hardly any drugs available. They are now part of every therapy. Virologists have made significant strides in unraveling the intricate pathogenesis of HIV. Through advanced molecular and cellular studies, researchers have elucidated the virus's mechanisms of entry, replication, and evasion of host immune responses. Key discoveries include the role of viral envelope glycoproteins in mediating viral entry into target cells, as well as the development of latency in infected cells, contributing to the persistence of HIV reservoirs within the body. By understanding these fundamental aspects of HIV biology, virologists have identified novel targets for therapeutic intervention and vaccine development. Antiretroviral therapy, ART. Antiretroviral therapy, ART, has revolutionized the management of HIV/AIDS, transforming it from a fatal illness to a chronic, manageable condition. Virologists have played a central role in the development of ART, which consists of a combination of drugs that target different stages of the HIV life cycle. Recent advancements in antiretroviral drug development have led to the discovery of more potent and better tolerated medications with improved dosing regimens. Additionally, research efforts have focused on the development of long-acting injectable formulations and novel drug delivery systems to enhance treatment adherence and efficacy. HIV prevention strategies. In addition to treatment, virologists have been actively involved in the development and implementation of HIV prevention strategies. One notable innovation is the use of pre-exposure prophylaxis, PrEP, where individuals at high risk of HIV infection take antiretroviral medications to reduce their chances of acquiring the virus. Virologists have conducted extensive clinical trials to assess the efficacy and safety of PrEP regimens, leading to its widespread adoption as a preventive measure in high-risk populations. Furthermore, ongoing research is focused on the development of new prevention modalities, such as topical microbicides, vaccines, and gene editing technologies, to further curb the spread of HIV. Innovative therapeutic approaches are continuously being explored by virologists to complement existing treatment options for HIV/AIDS. These include immunotherapies that harness the body's immune system to target and eliminate HIV-infected cells, as well as gene editing technologies like CRISPR-Cas9, which hold promise for directly targeting and disrupting viral DNA within infected cells. Additionally, efforts are underway to develop therapeutic vaccines that stimulate protective immune responses against HIV, potentially leading to functional cure strategies that control viral replication without the need for lifelong antiretroviral therapy. Despite these remarkable advancements, several challenges remain in the fight against HIV/AIDS. Access to affordable treatment and prevention interventions remains a significant barrier, particularly in resource-limited settings where the burden of HIV is disproportionately high. Moreover, the emergence of drug-resistant HIV strains and persistent viral reservoirs pose ongoing challenges to achieving a cure for HIV/AIDS. Virologists continue to work tirelessly to address these challenges through collaborative research efforts, innovative technologies, and advocacy for global health equity. In conclusion, virologists have made significant progress in the battle against HIV/AIDS through groundbreaking research and innovation. From understanding the intricacies of viral pathogenesis to developing novel treatment and prevention strategies, their contributions have transformed the landscape of HIV/AIDS care. As we move forward, continued investment in research, healthcare infrastructure, and community engagement will be essential to realizing the goal of ending the HIV/AIDS pandemic once and for all.